Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. As it's getting closer to Halloween, I wanted to share kind of a spooky tale with you. So this one is called The Mortification of Fovea Munson. So in this one, her parents own a cadaver lab. And so they do different surgeries and different scientific research on cadavers. So that doesn't really make Fovea a weird person. That doesn't make her like Igor's assistant, but to everybody in 7th grade it does. So Fovea is already kind of seen as the weird child. And then her summer plans fall through and she's stuck working at the lab with her parents. So she still does not consider herself Frankenstein's assistant until one night things start to get strange. And 3 of the heads that were sitting in the lab drying because they got wet start talking out loud to her. So Fovea thinks this is bizarre or a dream or something it can't possibly be real. Is it real? To find out, read The Mortification of Fovea Munson. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.